US President Joe Biden has created a controversy after he made a remark including India as a country which has a society which is xenophobic. He also named Russia, China, and Japan. While Russia, China, and Japan, they have essentially been not very welcoming to the outside world or the people or the society in terms of immigration. We have seen India has hosted for centuries people coming from all across the world. And External Affairs Minister, while trying to defend India's social and pluralistic ethos, said that India is probably one of the most open society in the world. And he said, and I quote, that we are the most open society. Till date, I have never seen such an open society, such a pluralistic society, such a diverse society. So I would say that we are actually not just not xenophobic, but we are the most open, most pluralistic, and in many ways the most understanding society in the world. So while there can be debate as to which society has accommodated most of the diverse elements from various civilizations in a span of hundreds of years, India will probably stand out in terms of having hosted almost all religions which are practiced in the world currently. We have hundreds of languages, dialects which are spoken by millions of people from north to south and east to west. Then there are 22 official languages that our constitution has given for the people. Also, there are religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, and this spirituality has attracted attention from across the world. So, in that sense, if the U.S. President Joe Biden has commented saying that there is a xenophobia among the society, in the society of India, xenophobia, which essentially means that the people of a particular society or the host society is not very welcoming. In fact, they are hostile to the guest people coming from the outside society, outside the society. So this is the problem which various countries around the world has faced, and xenophobic society will not only not let the other people come and integrate, but they will be hostile. There can be sometimes violence and skirmishes and conflict with the outside people who try to become integrated in that society.
भारत ऐसा देश है, अगर आप पूरे दुनिया में ढूंढे ना, हम सबसे माने वी आर द मोस्ट ओपन सोसाइटी. आज तक मैंने इतना ओपन सोसाइटी, इतना प्लूरलिस्टिक सोसाइटी, इतना डाइवर्स सोसाइटी कभी देखा नहीं. तो मैं ये कहूँगा that we are actually not just not xenophobic, we are the most open, most pluralistic, and in many ways here the most understanding society in the world. Secondly, there was some talk about economic performance. आप जानते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ जो है जीडीपी जो है 7% पे है. आप दूसरे लोगों का जीडीपी चेक करिए, ग्रोथ रेट चेक करिए और आपको उसमें आंसर मिल जाएगा.